I'm sharing 20 free ways that you can have the most magical Christmas ever. Let's start with things that we can do that really spread kindness and love this holiday season. And I want to start with this new idea called gratitude garland. You start with strips of paper and you and your family can write down all the things you're grateful for this holiday season. You can do one a day or once a week. You can spend some time and then take these strips of paper and turn them into links, connecting them all together so you have this really beautiful holiday decor. But more importantly, you're focusing on all the things that really matter and all the things you're grateful for. I really love the idea of secret Santa notes. So grab some paper and write down really kind, loving things about your family members or little inspirational quotes, and then hide them all over the house, maybe inside your daughter's makeup case, or tape one to the bathroom mirror. These little loving Santa notes, you can say they're from Santa, are just a sweet way to make somebody's day, to make someone happy, and create a new, loving holiday tradition. We can really spread kindness to nature this time of year, especially if you're like me and you live somewhere where it's colder and there's less food available for birds and squirrels or deer. You and your family can take some time to really make some Christmas type themed treats for the wildlife in your backyard. So grab a pine cone and coat it in peanut butter, then roll it in birdseed and hang that outside. Or you can string popcorn and maybe add some fresh cranberries and put those out in the trees. My kids really love doing this because it feels kind of like crafting, but it also feels amazing to do something kind for nature, and then you get to sit, look out your window, and watch nature enjoying your Christmas treats. I saw this on TikTok. It's called Mistletoe Moments, and I am definitely copying it. You're hanging mistletoe in your entranceway or somewhere in your house, and instead of like making out every time someone walks underneath, you give them a compliment, a little mistletoe moment. So if your children walk under it or a guest walks under it, you take a second and just say something nice about them. This is sweet, right? This is such like a loving, beautiful tradition that you can do, and it's something new.
Your hair looks extra amazing today, Milo. You're so handsome and smart.
Speaking of kindness, random acts of kindness are something we should all be doing this time of year because it feels so good and it does help kind of get excited about the holidays and spread that holiday cheer. And this is simple to do. You can buy the coffee for the person behind you in line, or you can shovel your neighbor's driveway, or just bring someone some fresh baked cookies. Every year we always do something called elfing our neighbors, where we make little gift packages or we bake fresh goodies and we drop it off at random neighbors' houses with a little sign that says "You've been elfed." So we don't tell them who it's from. It literally is this little random act of kindness that can brighten someone's day. It's also the perfect time of year to volunteer. So maybe you and your kids can volunteer at a local soup kitchen, or you can do something. It's a new program that a lot of cities have called Adopt a Senior. There are a lot of nursing homes where there are elderly people who don't have loved ones nearby who can visit them. So if you sign up for an Adopt a Senior program, you're paired with one senior who doesn't have family, and you can just spend time with them or get them a small gift this holiday season. I get so emotional just thinking about this. I think this is the most beautiful gift you can give someone for Christmas. Now let's talk about some cozy Christmas traditions that are totally free. Every year we write letters to Santa, and it isn't things that we want Santa to bring us, it's things that we want in the next year. So our hopes and our dreams and our wishes, we write them all down and we put them in this little mailbox that we have. And what I love most about this is we don't touch it again until the next year. So when we go to put next year's letters in, we can read the letters we put in last year and see if any of those wishes came true. A new tradition that we're starting this year is lighting a candle for the loved ones that we've lost. It's so sad at Christmas when you're missing your family members who have passed away, so taking time to honor them by lighting a candle and just sharing some of your favorite memories. I just think this is something that I'm really looking forward to, and I'm also really excited to have my kids involved in this tradition. Every year we create a Christmas playlist on Spotify, but what I just found out is that you can actually send the link to all your extended family and have them add their favorite Christmas songs too. So if you're having a party or a gathering, you can really create a customized playlist with everyone's favorite Christmas songs that can kind of play in the background. So we're making a playlist for my immediate family here at our house, and then I'm making an extended family playlist for when we all get together at the church. I don't know what it is about turning off the lights and just lighting candles or dimming lights and having a candlelit dinner that feels so special, but this is one of my kids' absolute favorite traditions, just having a candlelit dinner. This doesn't cost anything at all, and you could just be like eating pizza or spaghetti. It doesn't matter what you're eating. It's the ambiance and the coziness and the specialness of dimming the lights and having a candlelit dinner that makes it a must on your cozy tradition list. Of course, you also have to have a movie marathon night or multiple movie marathon nights where you just cuddle up with blankets and watch those classics, Home Alone, Elf. I don't know what your favorite Christmas movies are. Let me know in the comments below what they are, but this is definitely one of those cozy traditions that you just look forward to every year. I'm super excited about this one, and it is a family photo shoot. How many times are you like, I wish I had an updated family photo? You don't need to necessarily hire a photographer. Grab your phone, set it on something, and grab some Christmas props around your house and take some family photos. We like having matching PJ photos, or we'll go outside and do like outdoor family photos every single year. I love this tradition so much, and my favorite thing is that we've made time to take an updated photo.
Penny! Yeah, I'll hold him. Milo! Oh. Okay, scooching. Here we go. And
Of course, driving around and looking at Christmas lights is a tradition that I think everyone should do, but you would be surprised. A lot of people in your community will put together a list with addresses of the most decorated houses, so you can drive around and see those like Christmas vacation level decorated houses, which is so fun. Here are some free holiday fun ideas. I saw this DIY holiday game on TikTok, and I am definitely doing it with my family. You're just using solo cups that you already have, maybe a roll of toilet paper, some bows and string, or you could do like beer pong using solo cups. And what's really fun about this is you're filling the solo cups with little treats that you probably have in your house anyways. So stocking stuffers or chocolate or maybe a $5 bill. It's just a really fun game that you can play that gets the whole family involved and makes a cute tradition.
I got red. You start? I should stop cheating. She already goes red has nothing. Joe got Hershey Kisses. I'm red. Got red. You suck. Great. Great.
Making paper snowflakes is actually really fun. I don't know if you've tried this, but this is a free tradition that you can do, especially if you've got a big group of people over, and all you have to use is some blank printer paper, which you probably have. Fold it, cut it, hang up the paper snowflakes if you want. I love this free classic tradition. This year I got a bunch of paint pens too, water-based paint pens, and my whole family decorated our patio door with snowflakes, and like, it was fun. It was just really fun to be able to create together. And when the holidays are over, you can just wash it off. So allowing your kids to draw on the windows and doors for the holidays is such a sweet, easy DIY that you can do year after year, and it costs very little. I'm obsessed with creating DIY wrapping paper, especially for the smaller little gifts that you're giving, or if you're wrapping up something like a gift card. So go on your loved one's Facebook page and you can save the photos that you love the most, put them all together in kind of a collage, print it out on regular printer paper, and you have customized, gorgeous wrapping paper that didn't cost you a thing. Let's talk about how we can make food a little festive. Every year I make a hot cocoa station and my kids look forward to this. This is such like an ingrained tradition in our family, and it doesn't have to cost you anything. You probably have hot chocolate, maybe even marshmallows or Christmas candy somewhere in your house. Just taking a few minutes to gather it all and using things you already have like jars or mugs to put all the little chocolates and candy canes and hot chocolate together in one spot, it makes it magical. It makes having a hot chocolate feel like, oh, just like a warm, cozy tradition. You've made it easy, and it's perfect for guests too. So take a few seconds to go in your kitchen and gather all the supplies you use to make hot chocolates and make yourself a hot cocoa station today. A really simple thing you can do is making your food in the shape of a tree this holiday season. So if you're putting out like a snack board, you can just put it in the shape of a Christmas tree. Or I've seen that people have gotten foam Christmas trees from the dollar store, covered them with saran wrap, and then used toothpicks to stick on fruit or vegetables or rolled meat. It's just an easy way of taking things you already have in your home and making it feel special and magical. And last, of course, decorating Christmas cookies. Even if you don't bake the cookies because you're short on time, you can get sugar cookies from the grocery store that are not decorated and take a few seconds and decorate them with icing that you've made or even store-bought icing, add sprinkles. This is probably the all-time most favorite tradition that my kids love during this time of year. And if you haven't done it yet, even if you don't have kids, decorating Christmas cookies is so fun. So invite over some friends, or when you have family over, put on some Christmas music and start decorating. I would love to know about some free traditions that you have, and if you could put them in the comments below, that would be so helpful. I feel like with all the pressure on social media to do all these big, elaborate, crazy, expensive things, it kind of sidetracks us from what really matters, which is spending time with family and friends and doing little things to make it feel special and cozy and to spread kindness and joy. And those things don't have to cost any money at all. So free things that we can do to remember the reason for the season. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Da, 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 da. It's a Christmas miracle. Clutterbug has hit 1 million subscribers. Don't cry, stop it. The feelings. I just want to say how grateful I am to each and every one of you. Some of you have been with me since the beginning. It feels like the dawn of time, certainly the dawn of YouTube, and your comments and your kindness means so much to me. Honestly, I see each and every one of you as a friend and family, and the Clutterbug community is so positive, and 1 million of us is just unbelievable. So thank you so much for your support. I have no words for the gratitude that I feel, and I can't wait to spend 2025 with you, getting organized, getting our lives together, and just sharing our best moments. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time.
Yes. Oh, they're just exploding. I see this in movies. Can I just dump this bowl of popcorn on the ground outside? Birds have butter? There today.